ain't got the, goddamn me. You see the symbol shit? What are you talking about? I'm doing $100 catering order. It's something already in the back too. Yes, sir. Let's get it. I had got the chicken platter. That's all it has, chicken in there. But that hoe look good. Look at that. Look at that. I'm about to tear this up. I have to save some for when I get off. Goddamn. Well, that shit was hidden. Well, I'm just sitting here waiting on my car to warm up and waiting for some orders to come through. I just wanted to talk to y'all. Most of y'all don't really know me. Well, yeah, y'all don't. My little 3 subscribers I had at first, they know. They know what I was trying to do to this channel. They know I kept deleting and trying to figure out what kind of channel I wanted. This channel right here is going to be all about me, my wife, my 2 nieces that we take care of, and the rest of my nieces and nephews, and then my best friend, her woman. That's what basically this channel is going to be. I'm working. I just dropped off 2 orders. I got 3 in all. I think one of them is what, $8, the other one was $6, and the other one was $10. So I'm trying to get out here and make this money, cuz
life move fast and you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want.
tell a motherfucker no. You trying to grind out here, you trying to stack, you trying to invest.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You talking more and with my heart. You think the everything's so hard. Please me, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, but you know all the time. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let you trust. Now you're questioning what you've done to me. You see out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the best. You pull for a breath on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. I know I wanna be around. Tell you more and more. I think you get everything so hard. You see I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Give me no other time. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see. But I know we're all
I do not like doing grocery orders. I do not like doing grocery orders. First of all, some of the stuff don't be there. So I'll be wasting time. And then it's just a lot of stuff. I'm glad I didn't have a lot of groceries. But yeah, man, I don't like doing that shit.
Hey, whoever said that I'm thugging, my niggas, they thugging for real, huh? All of my niggas, we come from the trenches, we loving this shit.
There go my honey bump. Y'all know her. together. Here's my baby. We're at my best friend's crib. Her and her woman. It's you and your loud ass car. Goddamn water tank. This is Tia. Say hi. Bunny. Say hi, Lindsay.
Alright. Yeah, what are we gonna watch? I'm sitting up here looking for this Great Bucket. I'm like, we can't watch that Great Bucket. And I'm gonna finish shit. This and this. I just realized that because yeah, we did. We gave my mama like 2 buckets. And she probably got 4 pair of my shoes when she went to Hawaii.
They got shoes in Hawaii?
Yes. My mama has been traveling her ass off.
That's good though.
She's been all around the fucking world.
Traveling is real good. I can't wait till we get to the point where we traveling everywhere.
Okay, well, I need to get to that point.
Well, let's get there then.
Okay.
When we come back from our cruise.
I know. Already.
When we come back from our cruise. Yeah. I don't know what the rest. Somebody will be going on our cruise shortly. I'm so excited.
Girl.
I hear them for myself.
Hours in 2 weeks. Tomorrow we can check in and get time and stuff to board and everything. Oh my God, I'm so happy.
Are you nervous?
No, I'm excited.
You're not scared at all?
No.
Mama, are you scared?
I'm
Hell
gonna
no.
embrace every minute of it.
Yep, me too.
I'm a little nervous. I'm
Embrace
ready to go.
everything, honey. I want to
all
do
this
everything
shit
on the boat.
With all this shit that's going
gonna take
on,
some-
I am ready to go.
We're gonna take some coins so we can get on in a casino, and we're gonna do everything.
Yes, Felicia, I'm not gonna even bother with her. Here's Clue right here. We can play this, you know, the famous. We all know.
What the hell is that?
Moncala? You don't know what that is? Let's get some light in this bitch.
Yes,
This
please.
one. No, baby, turn this light on. No, that one's too bright. We're gonna set the mood with this one. Listen, look at this. No.
Ah,
Oh, look at that.
No.
Look, y'all can see him up there. Hey. Look at it. She looking at me crazy.
what is this?
What is that?
We have puzzles. Oh, we got life. Y'all want to play life?
Yes, let's play life,
Let's see who has the most babies.
y'all.
Oh, we got cards too. We can definitely throw some babies. Oh, they need to update life though. Cause gas is $5 now.
Hold on. When we play the game,
It's a chat.
Hey, whoever said that I'm thugging, my niggas, they thugging for real, huh? All of my niggas, we come from the trenches, we loving this shit for real, huh? If I get rich and I go make a deal, they having my shit for real, nah. I'm from the gutter, don't play with my money, I'm coming for you, I'ma kill, nah. Whoever said that I'm thugging, my niggas, they thugging for real, huh? All of my niggas, we come from the trenches, we loving this shit for real, huh? If I get rich and I go make a deal, they loving my shit for real, nah. I'm from the gutter, don't play with my money, you coming for me, I'ma kill, nah. I had to go get a bag today. I'm on that motherfucking ass today. I went to go buy me a Jag today, cause I went and bought me a slab today. Your bitch tried to fuck me and you didn't listen. I do not like karma, so please pay attention. I'm fresh out the mud.